Hey guys, in this section we'll see online how we can create our profile to run the Unix command. Once the profile is created, you will be able to run Unix and shell scripting command on the cloud environment itself. If you want to create your profile online, then you have to go to this particular website which is called www.webminel.org. I'll show you step-by-step process that how you can create your profile and then how you can just simply run Unix command on this online available terminal. Simply copy this URL and paste it in your browser. Here, once you are there in the webminel.org, simply click on register. Now here you have to give your username, so simply you can give any username. Let's suppose that if I give R Pavan. Now in the mail ID you have to provide your personal mail ID. Now after that you have to create your password. Now see the message over here, password can only contain alphanumeric, so there should not be any special symbol in your password. Let me give my password over here. Click on this checkbox and click on register. Now here you can see a message that an email has been sent to this particular mail ID with a confirmation link. So now you go to your particular mail ID, the mail ID which you have given while creating your profile, and just simply you have to click on this verification link. Once you click on this particular verification link, it will just redirect you to this particular account, and here you can see that your account has been verified. You can give your username and then you can just simply give your password, the password which you have created. The username that we have given is rpavan, and just simply type your password over here and click on login. Here you can see that message that you have been logged in. Now simply you have to click on this terminal to run your Unix command. Again it will ask you for your username and password. You can simply give your username, the username that you have created, and just simply give your password. You won't be able to see the password. Simply just type your password and see you are able to log in into this environment. Now if you want to launch this screen on a bigger terminal or on a bigger screen, it's just simply you have to click on this launch it button. It will simply give you a bigger window. Again it will ask you for login ID and password. Just simply give your login ID and just simply give your password. Now you can run your Unix and shell scripting command over here. Just for a trial purpose, let me just simply run a command called ls-lrt and see there is no file created. Now if you want to create a file, simply just run a cat command and give the name of the file pavan.txt. Type hi there, this is Pavan, and just simply press Ctrl C. Now if I run the basic Unix command which is ls-lrt, I can see a file is there which is called pavan.txt. Now it is an online platform where you can run your command very easily. It is a very easy and convenient option for you if you want to practice your Unix command. Because I always say that if you really want to learn any of the technology, practice is the key. So this is a very good platform to practice on. In the next section, we'll see how you can run the basic Unix command on this terminal itself. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.